So I think, good afternoon, dear student. I think we can start, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Today we are going to explain the encrypted something, a Caesar cipher. The procedure is very easy. Just try to understand. What is the working rule? At the beginning, Caesar cipher, uh, something like this: f of p plus 3 more 26. Uh, Try to understand, dear student. That is p plus 3 more 26. He used this formula. So this 3 actually key at the initially he used 3 as a key. And what is p? P at the later represent something like this. I know you are late. As for example, the Caesar cipher convert the English alphabet into numerics. First, he considered the English alphabet as a numeric, right? So, since there are 26, Anika, you are late. Since there are 26 letter in English alphabet, am I right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, a Caesar cipher A as English alphabet A, Caesar cipher consider as a 0. It's just convert. He converted the letter English alphabet A as a 0, then B as a 1. Do you understand? C 3, D 4. 2, where is 2? 2, 3, E as a 4. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Y as a, what will be? 24 and Z as 25. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Khalek, why you are absent in previous? Abdul Khalek?
Sir,
Sir,
I was so
I
sick,
was so
sir.
sick, sir.
Uh, right now, what about you? Today, are you good, Khalek?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After taking
After
medicine,
taking medicine,
I'm feeling good
I'm
now.
feeling good now.
Okay. Uh, so the Caesar cipher, this English alphabet, he considered as like this. A means he consider as a 0, B means 1, C means 2, D means 3, E means 4. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Lubna, for your simplicity, better you may write everything. You may write everything because you need to copy paste, right? You have to find each and everything, or you have to count it, right? Ifrat, do you understand?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes, sir.
So you may consider like this way. You may consider like this way. Maybe better if you write. That will be better for you, right? E then F. F will be 5, something like this. Do you understand? But that depends on you. So these are the P. P A means what will be the P value? P value will be 0. If C, then what will be the P value? P value will be 2.
2.
Do you understand, Sahin?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
As for example, if I write IUBAT, so what will be the Caesar cipher? Consider I, what will be the I?
Sir, 8.
A, B, C, D,
Sir, 8.
E, F,
8, sir.
G, H,
8,
I.
sir.
So I, that is like 8.
Yes,
Okay?
sir. Yes, sir.
Do you
Yes, sir.
understand my point?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Caesar cipher consider as a I means 8, as a numeric, just converting way, converting process. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these are called P. This is called P. I, its value is I, that is P. U, that is P. B, that is P. A, P, like this. Is it clear what is P? Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you have any question about P? Do you have any question about P?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now coming, this is very easy. This is very easy. Try to understand. So P like this. After converting the alphabet into numeric, this numeric value is like P. Okay. And what is 3? This is called cipher key. This is called cipher key. Okay. Caesar cipher key. At the beginning, now you can change this reverse Caesar cipher key. Always you should consider as a 3. This is not. You can consider as you like. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You may send your friend, you may send your email to your friend by just by saying the my key is this. Now you may convert, right? Then that secret message that you can open it. Okay? Do you understand? Now this Caesar cipher key is not fixed. These 3 we are considering because you are the beginner. So we are considering 3. You may consider 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14 as you like. So this is called Caesar cipher key. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So actually formula is something like this. General formula of Caesar cipher. P is equals to P plus K then mode 26. Actually this is the original formula. Huh? Here key is the Caesar cipher key, right? Now coming, why you are considering mode 26? Mode 26 because there are 26 letters. Do you understand, Munna? There are 26 letters.
Yes, sir.
That's why its mode is 26. So similarly, as like Caesar cipher introduced this encrypt formula, so you may consider as a Bengali also, right? By consider like this way, or any other language,
Yes, sir.
if
Yes,
you
sir.
want to write. Now coming to the point here, student, how can you evaluate this value? What is the meaning, right? What is the meaning? As for example, if I write IUBAT, we want to convert, okay? We want to encrypt this message, like considering key 3. Do you understand? Key 3. So what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? This total meaning of P already you know. If you write I, so I value is 8, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I mean 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 is equals to, 11, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
11 mode 26. So what is the, if you divide 11 by 26, what will be the remainder? What will be the remainder? Bhagsesh, what will be the Bhagsesh?
2.
4, sir.
4, sir.
You have to divide by 26. So what will be the remainder? Bhagsesh কত হবে?
স্যার এটা তো ছোট স্যার
হ্যাঁ, very good. চলেন আমরা আরেকটু দেখে নিই. If you divide 3 by 2, what will be the remainder?
দেন স্যার 1
Are you sure? Remainder. So 1. Okay, good. Now like 4. Divide 3. What will be the remainder?
অলসো 1 স্যার
1.
3 divide 3. What will be the remainder?
0, sir.
স্যার ইট উইল বি 0
0, sir.
Okay, 2 divide 3. What will be the remainder?
স্যার এটা তো
1 divide 3. What will be the remainder? So, আমরা এটা ভাগ করি, তাই তো? চলেন আমরা একটু ভাগ করি.
স্যার 1.5
So, this is remainder. We are calling this one, right?
1.33 yes sir 1
Okay. Now, you are telling 0. How we can telling 0? We can divide. দেখেন আমরা কি করি? 1, 3, then 0. You are telling this is remainder, right?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Now coming here, 2. 2 divide 3. What will be the quotient? ভাগফল কত? Because this upper part is lower than this part, right?
yes sir
So we cannot. There will be no quotient, right? ভাগফল কি হবে এটার? Integer.
no sir
No, sir.
So
No, sir.
that will be remainder. You need to consider that is remainder. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what will be the remainder?
1 sir
1.
1. So here remainder is 2. Here remainder is 1.
1
Do you understand?
yes sir
I mean, how many remainder will be? If you analyze these two things, I mean, here remainder will be 1 and 2. Like, তাহলে এক কম হবে, remainder এক কম হবে, তাই না? Maximum. Highest remainder কত হবে? For 3 এর জন্য highest remainder 2 হবে, so 2 1 or maybe 0, right? Do you understand or not?
Sir, please repeat the second.
So if Rat, this 3 divide 3, you are telling there is no bhagshesh, there is no remainder, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So only 0 remainder. যখন আমরা 1 কে 3 দ্বারা ভাগ করব, ভাগ করা যায় না, so সেই একটাই হচ্ছে রিমাইন্ডার। ওকে,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
যদি 2 কে 3 দ্বারা ভাগ করি, পারফেক্টলি ইটস নট ডিভিজিবল, রাইট?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
so that 2 will be the remainder. So তাহলে এটা কি হলো, 3 এর কয়টা রিমাইন্ডার থাকবে? 1 হতে হবে, 0 হবে, অথবা 2 হবে, মানে ইমিডিয়েটলি 1 লেস। Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Ifrat, do you understand? So here your 26, your modulo, your division is 26, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
how many?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What will be the remainder, or how many remainder here?
Yes, sir. Yes,
What is the chance? What will be the chance? Remainder 0 হবে, remainder 25.
Yes, sir.
Also
25
it will be
sir.
remainder, right?
0 to 25.
0 to 25. If 26, then its remainder is 0, right?
0.
If
Yes, sir.
27, what will be the remainder?
1,
1.
sir.
Good. Do you understand? But here 11. So what will be the 11? 11 modulo 26. So what will be the remainder? Etar meaning হচ্ছে remainder. So 26. First you have to divide this by 26 and you need to write remainder. That is the thing. Do you understand my point or not? How can you calculate this line? What is the meaning of this line? What is the meaning? This means first calculate this one, addition or subtraction, whatever is given, just perform this operation. After performing operation, divide this by modulo 26. After getting
Yes, sir.
result, then divide this result by 26. After divide, then just write down the remainder. Whatever is remainder, you should write as a remainder. Okay, whatever you get any result, you should write as a remainder. This means remainder. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So remainder means you need to divide by 26. This whole things you need to divide by 26. After divide 26, you need to write remainder. Is it clear, or do you have any question?
Yes, sir. Clear. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Sir, can you
Okay,
explain the term?
Farhan?
Yes, sir. The dividing and calculation term.
Here, this is the addition, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So P and plus 3, whatever is given, like P equals to 25. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Like
Yes, sir.
P equals to 25. So 25 plus 3, you can calculate, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
After calculation done, then divide this result. I mean 25 plus 3 equals to 28, right, Farhan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 28, now you need to divide by 26. This modulo, whatever is given, here modulo 26, so you have to divide this result by 26. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It is clear. Yes, sir. It is clear.
So
Yes,
after dividing 26 by 28 by 26, so what will be the remainder? ভাগশেষ কত হবে? 28 কে 26 দ্বারা ভাগ করলে?
Sir, 2.
2, right? So this
Yes,
whole
sir.
result, that will be 2. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we can conclude, if this result is below, lower than 26, so that will be the remainder. 11, which is greater than 6 or less than 6? 26, less than. So this 11 will be the remainder.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
If your result, if P plus 3 is less than 26, is less than 26, then write whole thing as a remainder. No need to divide. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
স্যার অনলি গ্রেটার
Yes,
দেন
sir.
হইলে তখন ডিভাইডেড করব
Yes. If there is greater, like 26 or 26, then divide. So its remainder is 0. If 27, so divide 26. So you will get 1, something like this. Do you understand, Rikta? আর যদি কম হয়, write as a remainder. No need to divide. Don't take
Okay,
it as a para.
Okay.
Just write as a remainder. We can conclude, right? Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you understand the formula? What, do you have any question regarding to the formula?
Sir,
We are going to
P
solve
can
math.
be P can be anything like IUBAT
Ruhul,
or any
we
other
can do it.
IUBAT or any other.
Yes, any message. Which message you want to send your friend, that depends on you, Ruhul. Right?
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
This is the encryption way. So, as for example, we are just considering. So, which message you want to say and what key you are using, that depends you and your friend between. Do you understand, Ruhul?
Yes, sir. Now I got it. Yes, sir. Now I got it.
So, this key we are using 3. You may use different key. আর যদি আমি 3 ধরে নিই তাহলে তার কোনো এনক্রিপ্ট থাকেই না, নাকি থাকে?
No, sir. Then that will be constant.
So you can consider any key here, because we are the beginner, that's why we are using 3. Caesar যেমন ইউজ করেছে 3, we are just using 3. So you may consider different key. So maybe you can consider 11, 10, 6, 7. So এটা কেউ বুঝবেই না যে which message you are sending. হ্যাঁ, আর যদি বুঝেই নাই তাহলে কি এনক্রিপ্ট হবে? Do you understand this formula or not? Please raise your question. If you do not understand, please raise your question. We are going to solve a math.
স্যার পি এর ভ্যালুটা কি দেওয়া থাকবে নাকি আমরা নিজের মত নিয়ে নেব?
Okay, Rikta, suppose this is my question, they encrypt this message. Try to understand. Encrypt this message. Encrypt, right? Encrypt this message. তখন আপনাকে দেওয়া হলো, এটা দেওয়া থাকবে এনক্রিপশন করতে। সো IUBAT। এখন আমি দিয়ে দেবো আমার সহজের জন্য টু চেক অনলি, টু চেক স্ক্রিপ্ট ইজিলি, যে আমি কিটাও দিয়ে দিব। ডু ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড মাই পয়েন্ট, রিক্তা?
Yes, sir.
So your key will be also given. Suppose আমি এখানে দিলাম যে you can consider key as 11, right? Right, Rikta?
Yes, sir.
আর আমি যদি key 11 না দিতাম, you can consider any key. So person to person it will vary, right, Rikta?
Yes, sir.
So যেহেতু person to person vary করবে, এটা হিউজ টাইম আমাকে লাগবে চেক করতে, এই জন্য আমি মোটামুটি দিয়ে দেওয়া হয় যে কিটা এই ধরে করেন যে 10, 11, 12 or 6 you can consider. Now coming here, I, what is the letter value? What is the numeric? What is the numeric of I?
8, sir.
8. So this P value is 8 here. P you need to write as 8. Do you understand, Rikta?
Yes, sir.
So 8 plus, if key is 10, so 8 plus 10 is equals to what? 18, right?
Yes, sir.
18 we have done. 18 done, right?
Yes,
After
sir.
using key, 18 done. So 18 এর মডুলো 26 কত? Modulo 26. What will be the remainder?
18, sir.
18,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
18. So 18
Yes, sir.
is numeric. 18 এর numeric value কি? 18 এর letter value কি?
Yes.
Show me, then just best. Okay.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have encrypt this. I as encryption like S. আমি এখানে I send করলাম, সে read করবে S. Original message, right? You understand?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
চলো আমরা ম্যাথ করি একটা. Please raise your question. If
Yes,
you
sir.
have any question, raise it. Without hesitation, please raise your question. This is very simple thing. I am again repeating. This is very simple. You need to know what is P. What is P you need to know and how to calculate this value. এই ভ্যালুটা কেমনে ক্যালকুলেট করে আর P টা কি এটা জানতে হবে. তাহলে you can do it.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So let's we can do a math. Example number 1. Allah. What is the secret message produced from the message produced from the message Do you understand? This is our question. Can you
Yes,
see
sir.
the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So dear student, for our simplicity, please write A, B, C, D, whole things write. Then you can easily just identify. There will be no mistakes. You can check there, right? For your simplicity, you should write. You should write A whose numeric value is 0, B whose numeric value 1, something like this. You may write. Because here our mode, we are using mode 26. So that's why one less. Because there are 26 letters, there are 26 letters. So since we are going to divide by 26, that's why it start from 0, right? So there are 26 letters. It starts from 0, 1 to 25, 25 and 0, 26. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So have you finished? You need to, this is the question, huh? Inverted comma close. This is our question. You need to convert this message. You need to encrypt this, right? They meet you in the park. Meet you in the park. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, is there any window for space?
Ruhul, sorry. Would you please repeat it?
Sir, is there any window for space?
We can consider as a 3, right?
Sir, 3 for space.
3.
Sir, I am asking that meet you in the park. There is a space between two words. So we have to consider space any
Yes,
numerical value or just
yes, definitely you have to consider space, right? First you need to convert this one, then space this one, then space this one, right? There is no space value. There is no space value, right, Ruhul?
oh okay sir.
There is no space value. The space means there is something you need to consider any value. There is no something such a rule. Okay? Space means you
Okay
need to
sir.
give space. Shall I meet you in the park? So solution start. Solutions start. Oh, Mr. Sakibul Hakib, you are too late. First write down this one. First write down A, B, C, D, and then draw a table because there are many things here. So English letter you can write English letter, then you need to encrypt. Huh? So this letter R M E E T, right? So its numeric value you are considering. What is the numeric value of M?
15.
12.
Oh,
Very good. 4 T
19.
T19.
very good. Okay. Similarly, you need to write everything. Meet you in the park. IN. হ্যাঁ আই কত 8 বলেছিলেন না
N13.
13
স্যার মাঝখানে ইউ আছে
oh meet you in the park হ্যাঁ just you may write like this হ্যাঁ now Caesar cipher f of p equals to p plus 3 mod 26, right? So p plus 3 26. What will be the value? So 12 plus 3 mod 26 equals to 15, right?
Yes, sir.
So 4 plus 3 mod 26 equals to 7. Okay. Original message, original letter and your encrypted message encryption মেসেজটা কি হচ্ছে কত 15 এর লেটার গ্রেড কি
P.
আর ইউ শিওর
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes sir 7 লেটার কি হবে
H.
H.
H so H 19 সরি এটা কত হবে তাহলে এটাও সেম 4 3 mod 26 so 7 so 19 3 mod 26 equals to 22 এর ইয়া কত
W.
W.
okay W okay so we have done it আমরা টেবিল ড্র করে করলে it is very easy or you need to write this is not mandatory that you have to write within table this is not mandatory if you write table that will be easy I think do you understand
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
so can you for the next can you proceed
ইয়েস স্যার
Yes, sir.
PHSW then U what will be the U encryption message
Sir, you will be B.
Sir, you will be B. Yeah, you will be B. Very good.
Then sir,
O?
sir, O will be
O will
15.
be 15.
No, sir, 23. That means, sir, W, sir.
W, sir.
No,
Nah, bro.
W. Why, sir? Why,
Why,
sir?
sir? Why? Nah.
20. X, sir, X.
X, sir, X.
22 X, 23 X.
X. Easy, na?
Yes, sir.
Sign?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Would you please complete this math? Would you please complete?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So what is the encrypted message? Have you finished your math? What is the encrypted message?
Sir, can you please do the Y number?
Can you? Have I
Sir, Y number take to করা যাবে?
Why?
জি স্যার।
Okay. So what is the Y value? By it?
Sir, 24.
Okay, 24. Very good. So 24 plus 3. Okay, Baijit? Mod 26. So here your result is 27, right, Baijit?
Yes, sir.
27. So if you divide 27, because 27 is greater than 26, so you need to divide, right, Baijit?
Yes, sir. We need to.
So if you divide 27 by 26, what will be the remainder?
Sir, 1.
Bhagshesh koto hobe? 1. So just write here 1. Do you understand, Baijit?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay.
Sir, for 1 it will be B.
Okay, it does not matter. B or C. That is encrypted message. Munna? Oh, that will be R. You already said sign, that is X. Huh?
Yes, sir. X, then Z, then L.
Would you please finish this math and tell me the encrypted message?
Sir, should we
Therefore,
new or sir meet you in the part?
whole thing you need to write, full part. So P H H W U
Sir,
B R X
Z,
meet you in the park in
LQ.
Lubna.
sir, then LQ.
LQ, sir.
LQ.
Yes, sir.
Then
Then
WKH.
Then WKH.
WKH.
Then
Then
SDUN.
S D
UN.
UN.
N, sir.
Sir, N hobe. N.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
SDUN. Yeah, very excellent. Good. We have done. Thank you, Lubna and others who have done already. So, do you have any question regarding to the Caesar cipher math? This is the encryption message, right? Have you finished your math? I have another question. Our time is short.
Yes, sir. Finish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the encryption way, right?
Yes, sir.
So there are another way, that is a decryption. So what is the decryption way? So decryption may be here in encryption there is a plus, right? Right?
Yes,
If you
sir.
go back to the original message, how can you go back
Yes,
to the
sir.
original message? Just you need to subtract.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So এটা দেওয়া থাকবে আপনার কাছে, এটা দেওয়া থাকবে, আই মিন পি এইচ এইচ ডব্লিউ দেওয়া থাকবে, এটাকে লেটার কনভার্ট করলেন আপনি 15 7, রাইট? ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড?
Yes,
তাহলে
sir.
আপনি অরিজিনাল কেমনে যাবেন? এটা মাইনাস করে যাবেন। হ্যাঁ, এটাকে বলা হয় ইনভার্স, ইনভার্স আই মিন ডিক্রিপশন, লাইক এনক্রিপশন এন্ড ডিক্রিপশন। ওকে, ডু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? সো ডিক্রিপশনের যে ফর্মুলাটা কি হবে তাহলে? Here like you are representing as like in encryption your formula is f of p. F of p equals to p plus 3 mod 26, right? This is the encryption formula. So what will be the decryption formula? It will be inverse,
F.
right?
F
Inverse equals to just p minus 3.
minus 3.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I think maybe you can encrypt or decrypt, you can solve any math, I think. একটা হচ্ছে যোগ আর একটা হচ্ছে বিয়োগ জাস্ট। So can you solve some math, one or two math?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Experience is a great teacher. Experience is a great teacher. In your book, they consider 7. Do you understand? The key, cipher key, they consider 7. So we can consider, we may consider 3 or 7. Which one to consider? Lubna, Ifrat, Baijit.
3.
3. Okay.
3.
So okay, 3. Experience Hadiujaman present. Hadiujaman.
Yes, sir. Present, sir. Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Selim Hussain Sohag.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Present,
sir.
sir.
Shakibullah Mian. Moshiur Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Abdullah Al Mahdi Hassan Sohag. Israfil Hussain.
Present, sir.
Present, sir. Hamim Hassan. Shahadatullah Naim. Shahadatullah Naim. Anika Bushra.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Niyaz Morshed. Hussain MD Safat.
Yes, sir.
Bonni Bisas.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Safat present. Nozrul Islam. MD Nozrul Islam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Redwan Ahmed Ratul.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sheikh Mohammad Sadiqul Islam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Imtiaz Hussain Rafi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Tanjum Akhtar. Tanjum Akhtar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Juliana Tonu.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Farjana Tania.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Israt Jahan Ira.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Umme Hani Toma. Oh, Umme Hani, that is 6, right? Or Umme Hani
Yes, sir.
message that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Onik
Tanjum
Paul.
Akhtar is present.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tanjum.
Present, sir.
MD Shahin Iqbal.
Present, sir.
Farjana Akhtar Hima.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Raida. Raida present.
Present, sir. Present, sir. Present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay, Romana Afroz.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Sabrina Akhtar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Abdul Latif Talukdar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Shanta
Ikra Jan.
Chaudhary.
Ikra Jan.
Yes,
Okay,
she has
Ikrat,
a
I
net
know.
problem.
She has a net
problem.
Rahatil Mahmuda.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ruhul Amin.
Present, sir.
Present, sir. Moshiur Rahman. Moshiur Rahman. Khaja Minhaj.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Humayun Kabir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Khandokar Sakibul Habib.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Today, why you are late, Habib?
Sir, in my area, too much network
Sir, in my
problem,
area,
sir.
too much network problem, sir. Okay,
That's
okay.
why, sir.
MST
That's why.
Okay, Sanjid Akhtar Mitu. Sanjida Khan Mitu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Orchita Roy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sumaya Islam Shanta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Kaji Faria. Sharmin.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shihab Sharwar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Jubair Hussain.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So, have you finished your math?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So, what is the answer, Lubna?
Sir, for
For
experience,
experience,
it will be
it will be
HASH.
Wait, Lubna, wait 1 minute. Huh.
Sir, for
For
experience, it will
experience, it will
be
be
HAS.
HAS. For experience, H
AS
S
HUL
HUL
HQF
HQF H, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you agree with Lubna?
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
about
sir.
the?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think this very easy math.
Yes, sir.
I think all of you students you are able to
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, Baijit.
Sir, when we do the decryption, at the time if we got -3, then what will be the result?
Very good question, Baijit. You asked a very good question. So Baijit, -3, right? You get -3 more 26, right, Baijit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. So Baijit, as for example, if 3 divide 2, so your remainder is 2, right, Baijit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, here remainder is sir 1.
Okay. Here? No, but
It will be 2.
Sir, it should be 2, sir.
Sir,
here
2.
2 is less than 3.
Sir, it should be 2, sir.
So if you say for this math, here remainder is 2. For this math, if you say something like this, J 2 minus 3 is equals to -1, right? Right, Baijit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 2 minus 3 is equals to -1. So for this math, you can also say -1 is the remainder, modulus 2, modulus 3. Because here you are telling this 2 is a surplus, right? But how many things you need to add to make 3? You need one more to make 3, right, Baijit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So that's why you can say -1 is the remainder of this math.
Okay, sir. Then, sir,
Output. As for example, 1, 3, 1, 3, right, Abhijit? 1 is the remainder. Do you understand? Positive
Yes, sir.
remainder. Yes, sir. But if you say -2 is the remainder, also this is right. -2 also is the remainder. কিভাবে বের করলাম?
sir, 1
-3
minus
হতে আর
3.
কত দরকার? 3 হতে কত দরকার? আর 2
Sir,
দরকার।
2.
Similarly, if something is like this, modulus 3, or you can say here, দেখেন বাইজিৎ ভালো করে বুঝেন, here -1 modulus, তাহলে এটা হচ্ছে আপনি বললেন -1 is the remainder, এর পজিটিভটা কত হচ্ছে এটার সাথে এটা অ্যাড করে, right বাইজিৎ? I
Yes,
mean
sir.
2 is the remainder, right?
Yes.
Yes. Here you get something like this -3 and 26. So what will be the 23, right? If you add it,
Yes, sir.
do you
23.
understand, Baijit? তাহলে 23 is the modulus. I mean remainder.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Something like this, okay? All these are equally likely. So যদি এরকম কখনো আসে, কারণ আপনি তো -3 রিপ্রেজেন্ট করেন নাই কোথাও, করেছেন কি?
No, sir.
So that's why you need to consider like this way. আমি ভুলে গেছি এটা বলতে, but thank you for your nice question, ভাই.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Have you faced any problem for doing this math?
No, sir.
So up to this your first term exam.
Okay, sir.
Dear student, এরকম একটা কোশ্চেন থাকবে, বিগ ও থেকে একটা কোশ্চেন করা হয়েছে, বাইনারি সার্চ, লিনিয়ার সার্চ একটা কোশ্চেন করা হয়েছে, একটা শর্টিং থেকে কোশ্চেন করা হয়েছে।
ডাবল
ওকে,
শট
ইয়েস। আর প্রপোজিশন থেকে কিছু শর্ট কোশ্চেন করা হয়েছে। ইট উইল টেক মেবি 30 সেকেন্ড or 20 সেকেন্ড, ট্রু ফলস।
স্যার এত কোশ্চেন
Okay, so 5th July your first term exam. ভাইবা নিয়ে এখন আমরা কিছু জানি নাই। 5th July ফার্স্ট টার্ম এক্সাম। সো আপনারা প্রিপারেশন নেন। কোশ্চেন আপনাকে দেওয়া হবে আপনার গুগল ক্লাসরুমে অ্যাট দ্য বিগিনিং, তারপরে দেওয়া হবে এবং 3 ফরম্যাটে দেওয়া হবে, ওয়ার্ড ফরম্যাট, পিডিএফ ফরম্যাট এন্ড পিকচার ফরম্যাট। ওকে,
Okay, sir. Sir, how many question will be there?
বাইজিৎ বললাম যে কি কি যেন 3টা কোশ্চেন করা হয়েছে, বাট দেয়ার আর অলসো সাব কোশ্চেন।
Okay, sir.
Totally 3 questions, but there are also sub questions. Okay, এবং কোশ্চেন আপনি 5 মিনিট to 10 মিনিটস আগে পাবেন। ও আপনার তো এই সময় কোনো ক্লাস নেই, সে আপনাকে 10 মিনিটস আগে কোশ্চেন দিয়ে দেবো আমি। ওকে, or 5 to 10, 5 to 10 you will get your question এবং আপনি ওর মধ্যে সাবমিট করবেন। আর অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সও না হবে এক্সামের সময়। ওকে,
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
ওকে। আর যদি কোনো কোশ্চেন থাকে তাহলে আপনি জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারবেন। প্রথম 20 থেকে 25 মিনিট আপনার ক্লাস নেওয়া হয়। ডু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড?
স্যার আমাদের মিটে থাকতে হবে 20 মিনিট।
হ্যাঁ, 15-20 মিনিট আপনাকে থাকতে হবে। আপনাদের কোনো কোশ্চেন যদি থাকে তাহলে আপনারা ওখানে শেয়ার করতে
Okay,
পারেন,
sir.
তাই না?
Okay,
এই জন্য
sir.
আপনাদের 15 থেকে 20 মিনিট আমি রাখবো, তারপরে ছেড়ে দেওয়া হবে। ওকে, সো আজকে এই পর্যন্ত থাক। দ্যাটস অল ফর টুডে।
Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alhamdulillah.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।